What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C Will, back at another slight video, y'all. Man, yo, I just got pulled over by the cops, man. Bro, it's crazy, bro. Like, literally, bro, I was dumping out trash, CEEFAM. Like, dumping out trash, because in Germany, bro, like I said, we got to recycle and all that, bro. Cool, you know? So, yeah, man, was doing that, and then shit ended up getting pulled over.
You been off post with this?
Off post? Yeah, man, shit. I've actually been in like couple cities, bro. No, bro. I'm like married, bro. I'm married. Yeah,
bro. If you are single, dude, you'll have all the Germans in this hole, bro.
Nah, bro. I mean, I done been there, bro. I done that, but it's like my second time being stationed here. Well, not in Vilsek, but yeah. I've been stationed. This is my second time in Germany, bro. So the first time, man, I was single. I was, you know, whatever. I already lived that life. So now it's like I got my family, bro. I'm just chilling, you know.
Yeah, it's
so
all good, sir. All right.
Yeah,
all
man.
Right, have a great morning.
All right, man.
Any
you too, brother.
Oh
no, man. I mean, you were just doing your job, bro.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Good. So I mean, thank you for not giving me a ticket, cause bro, I mean,
no ticket or anything.
Okay.
Anytime you're free to go. Right.
All right, I got you. All right, you too, man. Thank you, brother.
Right, thank you so much.
Appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Yeah. So shit, he was cool, man. You know what I mean? But yeah, he definitely stopped me though, bro, for not having my front license plate on. You know. Yo, man, like, it happened so smooth too, y'all, like super duper smooth, you know what I mean? So like I said, bro, like I was literally dumping out trash, you know, recycling and all that, man, by the barracks and stuff, right? And then shit, I'm driving, right? He's coming towards me, you know. I passed him up, I made eye contact with him and everything, gave him a head nod, like, what's up, bro? Cool, you know. And then shit, lo and behold, that boy busted that damn U-turn. I say, oh snap. I wasn't in a wrong, you know what I mean, CEEFAM, as far as like anything I was doing, bro. I came to a complete stop, you know. I'm not on my phone driving and all that. Well, I am now. I just want to tell y'all boys the story. But yeah, bro, so yeah, he pretty much gave me a warning, CEEFAM, because yeah, he was like, yeah, bro, I mean, it's a cool car. I definitely understand, you know, of like you not wanting to like drill in your front bumper and all of that. I'm like, yeah, man, I mean, shit, if I had a little putt car and shit, car that was 10 years old, shit, hell yeah, I'd drill in my bumper ASAP, you know. And shit, I don't believe in, man, putting zip ties and all that just to hold the front license plate on there, bro. That's ghetto. You know, some of y'all told me that. I say, man, I don't know what y'all boys on, yo. But yeah, so like I said, no ticket, bro. He just gave me a warning. He was like, shit, man, I mean, I hope you don't blame me for just doing my job. You know, he was a specialist, bro. Like, I'm a staff sergeant, so E4, and then I'm an E6, y'all. So I'm not one to be like, oh yeah, bro, I'm a staff sergeant, bro. You shouldn't be pulling me over. And there's people in the army that's like that too, CEEFAM. People will try to use their rank to like abuse their, you know what I mean? I'm not like that, y'all. Shit, I don't care if it was a private E1 that pulled me over, bro. You just doing your job. You know what I mean? I was trying to explain to him. I'm like, hey man, shit, like I've been all throughout town, you know. I've been through the front gate, you know. The Germans don't tell me nothing, but a lot of people are cool with it, you know, CEEFAM. But it's in their policy and it's within their regulation to have a front and rear license plate, CEEFAM. So ideally, I am in the wrong because I already know what's right. You know what I mean, CEEFAM? But like I was just trying to explain to him, bro. Like, shit, I already have my little front license plate mount. You know, I just didn't put it on yet. You heard me? Shout out Stone Show, man. So I didn't put it on yet, CEEFAM. But yeah, it's all good. I probably should have got out and got a true thumbnail, man, with his lights on and all that too. But yeah, bro, it's early morning too, y'all. It's probably about 8:42 in the morning, y'all. Boy got pulled over, dog. I don't know. Like, I've taken my car into town, CEEFAM. Man, no Polizei, that's German police. No Polizei have ever gave me a ticket, warning, stop me, pull me over. I done passed so many police. Like I said, I come through the front gate. It's like German security and all that here, y'all. You know, there's no Americans. It's just German security. Man, they don't tell me nothing. Cause yeah, I have it up there on my front dashboard, you know, by my front mirror on my windshield, so it's visible. However, like I said, it has to be on the vehicle, y'all. So with that being said, man, your boy really might just put that Stone Show on shit today. You heard me? I might put that boy on today. Cause man, I'm not trying to get harassed. I'm not even gonna say harassed, cause bro didn't harass me. Like I said, he just doing his job. And I can never blame a man, woman for doing their job. you know. But yeah, he pretty much complimented the car more than he, you know what I mean, more than he was talking about the ticket. You know, he walked around the car, look, you know. So that's, I don't know, it was pretty cool. You know, it's probably one of the coolest experiences I had as far as like getting pulled over, you know. And like he kind of seen I was like recording, pretty much say, yeah man, you know. So it's cool if you record, you know. You just can't really get the face, you know. I'm like, yeah bro, shit, I'm not, you know, it's cool bro, I'm just getting audio, you know. That's it bro, I ain't gotta get your face in it bro, you know. Shit, subscribe to the channel if you want to subscribe, my boy. You might see yourself on this bit. Nah but it's all good, man. But yeah, y'all, long story short bro, hey, don't think you above the law. CEEFAM, I don't think I'm above the law at all, bro. Like I said, it's just bad timing. I explained to him, bro, shit, I got 2 more weeks to be on permanent plates before I got to get my inspection, right? So that's all I really had to do. Just put my little front license plate bracket, whatever, on, and then shit, put my little winter tires on, and that's it, bro. Shit, I'm passing the inspection. I'll be legal and all of that, y'all. But yeah, bro, hey, not every cop stop or police stop is gonna be bad, CEEFAM. You know, some of them, man, it's like cool. You know, I really wish I would have got like the full encounter, because like I said, he was admiring the car more than anything. He asked me, shit, if I just got here, have I been in town with the car? This man, crazy man, said, shit, if I was single, I'd have all the girls out here in Germany. Like I said, bro, like I already, man, I don't know, I hope my wife don't watch. Man, I've been there, done that, bro. I was young here before, you know. Like, I know how it is in Germany, bro. Shit, you got a car like this, Hellcat, bro, you African-American brother in Germany, is easier, you know. Every black dude out here, bro, there's a girl for you, dog. Ugly dude, handsome dude, big dude, little dude, short kings out there, bro. Hey, you can get you a girl out here in Germany, yo. That's just me keeping it a buck with y'all, you hear me? Like I said, I done been here, done that. I was 18. My first duty station was Germany. I left here whenever I was 21. So I feel like I kind of grew into myself while I was here, bro, in Germany. You know what I mean, y'all? But yeah, man, let me just get out, show y'all boys the car, bro. And then shit, that's pretty much it, bro. My next video probably just gonna be that Stone Show, boy. Cause yeah, I need to put that bit on ASAP, man. You hear me? Happy Valentine's Day to all y'all out there, man. By the time y'all see this, I don't know if I'm gonna drop this today, but it is Valentine's Day today. It's 8 in the morning over here, so yeah, I got stuff I'm planning to do for my wife, bro. I'm gonna take her to get a manicure, pedicure. I was gonna do like the whole spa thing and all that for her, CEEFAM, but they didn't have room for that, man. So I kind of called them like second to last day. I was gonna do a facial for her, massage, mani pedi, yeah, all that. You heard me, man. She a hardworking woman, man. You know, shit, and me, shit. If I'm able to do it, man, I'm gonna do it. You know what I mean? I just want to show her, bro, I appreciate you. You know, yeah, man. I don't know, y'all. I really be feeling like Valentine's Days really be. I'm not saying they played out, but I feel like social media played them out, man. It really turned into like a competition. You know what I mean? Like, why do I have to shower you with stuff on Valentine's Day? You know, like, you should buy your partner stuff or do thoughtful things for them all throughout the year, CEEFAM. You know, and I feel like women get holidays like, man, Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, birthday. Man, you know, like women get a lot of, you know what I mean, a lot of love, bro. Fathers only get Father's Day. You hear me? That's it. Maybe a little birthday here and there, you know, Christmas be hit or miss. You know, so it'd be like, man, women get that love, but as y'all should, bro. As y'all should, man. I'm not hating, I'm just jealous. But yeah, man, let me get out, y'all, show y'all boys the whip, and then go from there, man. Shit. Man, bro, got me scared to goddamn drive the car now, CEEFAM, for real. But yeah, man, the car, it really don't look half bad, man. You know, took it to the car wash on Graph. So I'm on Vilsec right now, CEEFAM. Took it to a car wash on Graph. I just sprayed it down, man. So that's what's good about having a wrap, CEEFAM. It'll really like protect your overall paint. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's one benefit to it, man. Whether it's a good wrap, bad wrap, it's gonna protect your paint, man. So yeah, I really enjoy having my car wrapped. I slick missed the green too, man. Oh, right here. You right here? Okay, bet. So I actually got people coming work on a house here today. So yeah, that's my guy right there. He finna work on the house right now. And then yeah, go from there, man. But sheesh, hey, this boy look good, bro. You know, I really think I'm gonna keep my Hellcat, y'all. If I can keep my Hellcat and also get the M3, then I definitely will see fam. But yeah, man, I just feel I put in too much work, bro, with this car, for this car, bro. I grinded a whole year straight cutting hair. I dropped 10,000 cash on this car, bro. You know, y'all can go back and watch that video, man. But yeah, my boy finna do some work on the whip. So yeah, I just want to give y'all boys, I don't know, man, like what else should we do with this car? I know I got to get a cold air intake. Hello, sir. Guten Morgen.
Okay.
Morgen. All right, so are you here for like a work order, sir?
Kitchen lights.
The kitchen lights
The cabinet.
and the cabinet. Okay, so you're doing two? You're doing two work orders today? Is it
Electrician.
Okay,
If you
okay.
As a team for heating or for water also makes as a team.
Okay,
I'm a
okay.
electrician.
Okay, good, sir. That's fine. That's fine. So are you ready now? You ready to go in? Okay. So but yeah, CEEFAM, like I said, man, I don't know what else I even want to do to this car, bro. I feel like with this car, man, I don't know if I'm just not being creative or what, man, but I feel like I'm kind of maxed out on content with this car, bro. Put the rims, did a wrap, tail lights, tint. Oh man, the only thing I'm missing on this car for real, CEEFAM, at least to me, is just a cold air intake, man. Take y'all on the Autobahn or the German highway and going crazy with the car. Other than that, y'all, I don't know. It's not really a big demand out here for Mopars, bro. There's a lot of Chargers and Challengers and Mustangs and all that stuff out here, CEEFAM. But like I said, man, BMW may be the way for me going forward, content wise, bro. Like I say, I don't want to get rid of this car. I actually told my wife whenever I first got this car, babe, listen, so it's my second Hellcat. I'm never selling it. I'm never, you know, put too much work into it, man. You know, all in all, bro, comment down below how much y'all think I actually spent on this car, bro. So what, 20, I don't know, about three bands for these wheels, because I got these wheels from a different dealer or whatever. Man, 2,200 for the wrap. So that's already 55, almost 6 bands right there just on the exterior. And then carbon fiber, bro. So it's a lot, y'all. I probably put like almost 10,000 into the car, you know, almost. So yeah, man. But hey, that will conclude today's video, CEEFAM. Like I said, bro, if y'all get pulled over by the cops, man, play it cool. You know, don't be defensive. Don't be trying to make excuses too easy, right? May let y'all get off with a warning. I got off with a warning, partially, probably because I got a nice car. I don't know, CEEFAM. But hey, y'all new to the channel, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, you heard me. I'm C Will, y'all CEEFAM, and I'll holler at y'all boys on the next one, baby.